Okay, 1985 Jeep Loretto CJ7. Here's just a little startup video for those who want to see it. It's about as clean as she gets. Little tour of the inside. And then I'll start her up. Just got a little inline. Fairly new battery. 4.2 liter inline. And if you can see here on the side, that's a new Howell fuel injector. So passes California smog. Got a nice little stainless radiator. As you can tell, even the stainless bolts, everything's super clean. Tires, almost brand new. I say that because they've been driven on the road. Spare. Little kit in the back. There is the one flaw right there. Small tear in the rear seat on the corner. Other than that, there's a startup. There's our little indicator light that we added. Bluetooth, retro sound, all this gauges work, RPM works, even the little old school clock works. She is fired up. Brand new catalytic converter. All new 4-inch lift.